proceed with page number 52 again. Antonio, I faith I will seal to such a bond. Antonio is agreed to seal to such a bond, to sign on such a bond, and say there's a much kindness in the Jew. Really, the Jew is very kind, as he's not putting any interest on the money, 3,000 ducats, and just asking Antonio if he fails to pay money, he would take a pound of flesh from any part of his body. Bassanio, you shall not seal to such a bond for me. And Bassanio feels bad. Even he gets angry when he hears that Shylock wants a pound of flesh from Antonio's body if he fails to pay the money on time. Bassanio rejects this bond, asks Antonio not to sign on this. You shall not seal to such a bond for me. I will rather dwell in my necessity. I would prefer to live with whatever I have. I would prefer to live with whatever I have. Antonio, why fear not, man? I will not forfeit it. I will not, I will not fail to pay the money. Then next page, within these 2 months, that's a month before this bond expires, I do expect return of three times the value of this bond. He says, why are you worried so much, Bassanio? I will be able to pay the money before a month to expire the bond. That this bond I do expect, Antonio expects that he would get thrice the bond money before 1 month of the expiry of the bond. Shylock, O Father Abraham. Now again, Abraham. Who is Abraham? The founder of Judaism. So, O Father Abraham, what these Christians are, whose own heart dealings teaches them suspect the thoughts of other, their own heart dealing. These Christians, how different these Christians are. They are doubting others because of their own heart dealings, own heart matters, business matters, or thoughts here. Okay, oh Father Abraham, what type of people these Christians are? Their own unjust, unfair dealings teach them to doubt others. Pray you, tell me this. If he should break his day, what should I gain by the exact of the forfeiture? If he fails to pay the money, suppose Antonio fails to pay the money, what would I get by getting a human flesh? A pound of man flesh taken from a man is not so estimable, means here is not that valuable, profitable, neither as a flesh of a mutton. Mutton is a flesh of a goat, beef, flesh of cow or goats. I say, to buy his favor I extend this friendship, and just I need the favor of Antonio, so I extend this friendship. If he will take it, so it not adieu. If he accepts this offer, okay, otherwise farewell. And for my love I pray you wrong me not, don't take me wrong. Are you clear? Shylock says that these Christians are very different people. Their own unjust dealings, unfair dealings are making them to doubt on others. And he says if suppose Antonio fails to pay the money on exact time, Shylock would not get anything profitable by cutting a pound of flesh from his body. This flesh is not an animal flesh like mutton and beef which they can take, but a human flesh. He has extended this offer to get the friendship of Antonio. If he accepts it, okay, otherwise farewell. Yes, Shylock. Antonio says, yes, Shylock, I will seal unto this bond. Definitely, I will sign the bond. Who has signed the bond? Shylock, and Antonio has signed the bond. Shylock, then meet me forthwith at notary. Give him direction for this marry bond, and I will go and purse the ducats straight. Okay, then meet me was given here, but here, then meet me soon at the notary. Notary is a lawyer. Inform him about this funny bond. I will go home and bring the money means ducat straight. See to my house left in the fearful guard of an unthrifty knave, and presently I will be with you. He say, let me go to my home. My home is guarded by a foolish person here, a spendthrift servant. Who is this fearful guard or unreliable spendthrift servant? His Lancelot. I will soon be with you. Antonio. He, the gentle Jew, the Hebrew will turn Christian. He grows kind. Okay, hurry up, gentle Jew. The Jew will soon become a Christian. The Hebrew, but I mean the Jew will soon become a Christian as he's becoming kind. He tries to be kind. Bassanio, I like no fair terms and with a villain mind. Bassanio rejects the idea. He feels that he should not accept the bond given by Shylock. I do not like to trust the kind words uttered by a villain. Antonio, come on, in this there can be no dismay. My ships come home a month before. Don't worry, don't get upset here. My ships, means Antonio's ships, will come home a month before the day. Okay, he says here his ships will come 1 month before the day of the expiry of bond.